I'm Chelsea Lipford from Checking In with Chelsea. Growing trees and planters inside your home is a unique way to bring the outdoors in. Container trees add texture and color to a room. They can fill empty space or provide a bold vertical focal point. They can even improve your indoor air. Of course, some trees are better suited for indoors than others. Palms, ficus, and Norfolk pines are popular indoor trees. Dwarf citrus trees smell great and can even provide fruit. And one of my favorite trees for indoor containers is an olive tree. When choosing your tree, consider how big the tree will ultimately become and how much light it needs each day. Many indoor trees require at least 6 hours of sunlight, which is something to consider when choosing where to place your tree. Choose a container that will accommodate your tree as it grows. The right size container will also prevent larger, top-heavy trees from falling over. Southern Patio makes planters in a wide variety of colors, styles, and finishes, so you're sure to find a container to match your decor. Even though your tree will live inside, you'll want to do the planting outside because it can get messy. Start with an inch or two of pea gravel at the bottom of the container to help with drainage. Then measure the height of your root ball. Add enough soil so that the top of the root ball is about 2 inches from the top of the container. Fill the rest of the container with soil, tamping it gently around the roots. Water thoroughly and add pea gravel or mulch to the top to give it a more finished look. To see more planters, products, and ideas, visit southernpatio.com.